Today, we're diving into the Tobysome replacement audio cable for Bose headphones, specifically designed for models like QC35, QC45, QC25, and more. The cable boasts a 3.5mm to 2.5mm straight jack, ensuring compatibility with various devices, from Bose headphones to Apple, Android, and Microsoft devices. The 4-foot cable is made of high-quality TP, offering high elasticity, strength, and resilience while maintaining a soft touch. The gold-plated connectors promise a tangle-free experience and deliver high-fidelity sound quality. Whether you're a Bose Quiet Comfort 4535-2 wireless headphones 700, QC35-2, QC35, Series I, or SoundLink 2 user, this replacement cable aims to restore the original audio adapter's quality. Tobysome emphasizes the use of original materials in crafting this cable, providing a cost-effective solution for those in need of a replacement. The 180-day warranty adds peace of mind to your purchase, ensuring a worry-free experience. This replacement cable is not limited to Bose headphones. It's also compatible with the KG-Y50, JBL E45BT, E55BT, and more. The black, white, or red color options in a length of 1.2 meters, 3.9 feet, offer flexibility to suit your preferences. In summary, if you're in the market for a reliable replacement audio cable that combines quality, compatibility, and affordability, the Tobysome replacement audio cable might be the solution you've been looking for. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights on audio accessories, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.